What is the judge really thinking when listening to your submissions? Judges, like all other people, give clues to their thoughts through their body language and their facial expressions. If you watch a judge closely during your submissions, you can learn a lot about what the judge is thinking, but not saying. Understanding what the judge may be thinking will enable you to acknowledge and respond to any concerns the judge may have about your oral submissions. Here are 5 things to pay close attention to whilst you're addressing the judge. Firstly, watch the judge for facial cues. A raised eyebrow, a frown, or rolling of the eyes could all signify that the judge disapproves of or is surprised by something that you said. In this case, I suggest that you continue with your point, but know that you will need to make your point more clearly and persuasively as you go on. Alternatively, you could simply ask the judge if they require more assistance in relation to the point that you are making. Secondly, if the judge's arms are folded, this could mean that the judge has already made up her mind. Okay, in this situation, you'll have an uphill task to get the judge back on side. It may be that there will be an opportunity to get the judge back on side when the judge questions you, either during or at the end of your submissions. This will be your opportunity to be even more persuasive and to allay any concerns the judge may have. Thirdly, if the judge is looking out the window, she may be thinking of lunch. Let's be real. Judges are human beings. They get hungry too. If it's not that close to lunchtime, you will need to regain the judge's attention. You can do this by pausing, saying nothing until the judge looks at you. The judge will eventually notice the silence and direct their attention to you. Fourthly, if the judge is writing furiously or typing furiously, this could either mean that she has already made up her mind and is writing or typing her judgment, or that she can't keep up with what you are saying. Let's assume the issue is that she can't keep up with you. If you are speaking too quickly or not pausing between points, simply speak at a slower pace and pause between points. If you need to, write slow down at the top of each page of your notes. Fifthly and finally, if the judge is frantically searching for something on her desk or on her computer whilst you are making a submission, it might indicate that she has not read something that you have mentioned in court. When referring to a document or authority, always ask if the judge has the document. Ask if she has had an opportunity to read the document. If the answer to the question is no, ask if the judge would like to be taken through the document, or if she would like to take some time to read the document herself. I hope you found these tips useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.